everyone. Today is Tuesday Unboxing Day. Okay, we're so excited because every time we talk about unboxing, it's not about something new, but it's about our new patients coming in. And it always reminds us that the more patients we have, the more we have to order and the more goodies come to the practice. So today I'm excited because the girls have not told me what's coming in. I'm not sure what's in the box, but the girls know. And it's always an excitement for me because every time we do a new order, it means new patients, it means we are full, and we only order what's important and what works in my practice. Okay? So Mary, 1, 2, 3, let's say
Okay, so I'm so excited today. Come, we check out what's inside this box.
Okay, Mary, so go ahead. Let's see what's going to happen in there. Can you do it fast? This is like surgery in the box. Surgery in the box. Here we go. Oh, what's this? Get that? Ta-da! Okay, what? Oh, okay. My favorite. Yes! It's called Thermage, the #1 provider for skin tightening across the world. And look, they've sent us a lovely kind of like a flip chart for the patients, so that's pretty cool. And we've got the brochures in here, and so the brochure says for the eyes, and then we've got one for the body, and then we've got another one for the face. So this is something that's really nice, and it's because we got a whole lot of patients who are all lined up for this. So I'm excited. We've got a whole lot of patients, and there we go. So we've got this. These are the return pads. And what else do we have in here? So these are the return pads that come in, and I will explain everything to do with these are the markings, the marking pads that we had. And okay, so listen, there's a lot of free gifts. If you sign up and follow us to the end of this particular unboxing episode, you are going to get free gifts. So listen carefully, stay tuned, and follow us all the way. Oh, Mary, keep coming. So we've got, oh, nice. We've got hair bands in here. And another hairband here, so good. This is a towel.
Yeah.
This is a Thermage towel, Nice. Oh, purple. I like purple. And okay, so this is surprise. And we got gels in here. Okay.
And
finally, what's the big one? Okay. Here's the drum roll, man. This is the #1 provider for skin tightening across the world. It's very important for you to understand that Thermage, when we first got Thermage in 2005, in fact, I'm one of the pioneers of Thermage in Malaysia, and it was fantastic. This is what, 15 years ago?
Yeah, 15
years ago, and we topped the whole of Malaysia, and we got this award called the Pinnacle Award. This Pinnacle Award was given to us in 2008 for the number of patients we did. We topped Malaysia #1 with Thermage. It's called the Pinnacle Award, and I'm very proud of it. So over the last 2 years, we've done about 2,000 over patients, and it's very important for you to understand about Thermage. It's the gold provider #1 standard for skin tightening. Okay, and together we're going to tell you that the sagging problem has been solved. Your sagging skin has been solved. The concept of Thermage is radio frequency. So why I got Thermage was because it was the only way to get a 3-dimensional tightening of the skin complex. Okay, so in other words, when you pass it through the heat, it goes right through from the skin, right down through the dermis, and the dermis is held down to the soft tissue and the subcutaneous tissue through what's called fibrous septate. Radio frequency heating heats up and actually melts the collagen. It's a process in medicine, we call it denaturation of collagen. And so the collagen melts down, and when it cools out, it tightens up the skin. And because collagen is protein, it's like putting an egg. You take the egg, you crack the shell, you put the egg into a hot pan, and you can do whatever you want to do with it. You can do an omelette, you can do a scramble, you can do a bullseye, as long as you heat that particular protein, and then when it starts to cool down and coagulate, that's when you get, so you can't turn an omelette into a scrambled eggs, right? And that's the reason why when you heat your collagen, once it starts to firm up, it stays. It takes a bit of time, but it stays. Thermage by itself is a gold standard for skin tightening. And so when you're talking about the face, when especially the aging process of sagging skin, you end up with better looking skin, smoother looking skin. The pores are tighter, and because of the elastin, so it produces more elastin, more collagen. You look firmer, you look nice and smoothened out, and you look younger. That's the key. So it's more facial contouring. At the same time, it also comes with a body tip, and that body tip is what is important. For example, after pregnancy, or for example, you have lost weight, you've got sagging skin in your tummy, you can tighten up your tummy, okay? You can also tighten up your arms, you've got flabby arms, if you have lost weight, or you can also do it with your knees, anywhere there's skin, and you can even lift up your buttocks, you know, because of skin tightening. So it's body contouring and facial contouring. This is how it works, by means of putting this radio frequency tip onto your skin, and it tightens up as we move along. This is the key when it comes to Thermage. So if you want to sign up right now, we've got a 60% discount for Thermage, and we have an aesthetic membership called Aesthetic Getaways with what Mary is holding. So you get a 40 to 60% discount for all the procedures that we do, and if you sign up as soon as possible, you get a free pillow plus a lot of giveaways, a lot of free gifts, and it'll be fantastic. So your skin is going to look tighter, it's going to look firmer, it's going to look younger, and you're going to look just gorgeous with Thermage. Now, if you like what you did, and if you like what we're going to see, and if you like what you're going to sign up for, well, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, it is Anti-Aging with Dr. Charles Lee. We've also got our Instagram, Dr. Charles Lee Sabah. We're also on Facebook, which is Charles Lee Aesthetic Surgery, and we're just there for you, you know. So just
and we have Twitter,
and we've got Twitter,
Aesthetic Sabah.
Aesthetic Sabah. So give us a call on 016-824-5224. All right, and we are here to sign up with you. So see ya.